Magandang buhay po at welcome po muli dito sa aking channel. Ngayon naman po ang aking pong ituturo is how to represent absolute value on a number line. So illustrate ko po yung number line at ibibigay ko po ano nga ba ang relationship ng absolute value at ang number line. Okay, so bago ko po illustrate yung absolute value sa number line, mahalagang malaman po muna natin ano nga ba ang number line. A line drawn starting from 0 and which extends to both sides without ends. This means that there are infinitely many numbers on both sides from the origin of the number line. So pag sinabi po nating number line, ito po ay line na mayroong numbers. Pero ano nga ba yung mga numbers sa number line? Okay? So, sabi po dyan, mayroon po tayong origin. Ito po ay 0. So, we can extend the line to both sides of the line or opposite sides of the line. Ano po? So, from 0 going to the right, yan po yung mga tinatawag na positive numbers or positive integers. So, yung arrow dyan sa line, you can extend the line. Meaning to say, pwede mo rin extend yung numbers. Kaya nga po sabi niya, infinitely many numbers. Okay? And at the left side, from 0, yan naman po yung mga tinatawag na negative numbers or negative integers. So, yan po yung components ng number line. Bago po tayo magpatuloy, click lamang po ang like and then kung bago ka po sa aking channel, click po yung subscribe and notification bell upang sa ganon, kung mayroon ka pong katanungan at na-comment mo po sa comment box, manonotify po kayo kapag ako po ay nag-reply. Okay, so absolute value on a number line. So ano nga ba ang absolute value? Absolute value of a number is a distance of a number from 0. So ano po yung ibig sabihin niya? For example, ito po yung ating number line. Ang ating pong origin always start from 0. Okay, so for example, meron po tayong number na 5. So ano po yung distance ng number from 0 to 5? Of course, yan po ay 5. Okay? So, in symbol, kapag sinabi nating distance, lalagyan po natin ng absolute value. So, yung symbol po niya, yan po ay vertical line sa magkabilang side ng integer. Ano po? So, pag kinuha po natin yung kanyang distance, yan po ay 5 units since wala pong unit. Ano po? How about on the other side? Okay, from 0 to negative 6. Actually, from 0 to negative 6, that is negative 6. Since yan po ay distance, kukunin po natin yung kanyang absolute value. Okay, so yung negative 6 na yan, yan po ay 6 units. So tandaan po natin, lagi ng absolute value ay laging maging positive. Kasi po, wala pong 0 or wala pong negative distance. Ano po? So yung negative ay magiging positive pag kinuha po natin yung kanyang absolute value. Okay, so let's try to apply the concept in these activities. Write the absolute value of the following expression. So we have 1 to 5 examples. Number 1, absolute value of negative 8 is equal to 8. And number 2, absolute value of 8 is equal to 8 also. If you notice here, yung ating pong absolute value ng negative at positive ay pareho pong positive 8. Ano po? So always po, pag kinuha natin yung absolute value, magiging positive po siya because that is distance. Okay, for number 3, absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. Then, number 4, absolute value of 10 is equal to 10. And number 5, absolute value of negative 10 is equal to 10. So if you notice here, the same, pareho pong 10, yung isa ay negative, yung isa ay positive. Always, pag kinuha po natin yung absolute value, pareho po silang positive. Okay, so how about this activity? Answer the following. Number 1, what is the absolute value of 20? So pag minsan po kasi nilalagay po natin sa word, hindi lang po sa symbol. Ano po? So in symbol, absolute value of 20 is that 1. Okay? And the absolute value of 20 is equal to 20. Okay, how about number 2? Find the absolute value of negative 11. So paano po ilalagay yan sa symbol? Yan po. Absolute value of negative 11 is equal to 11. Gawin lang pong positive. Okay, so how about this activity? Give the absolute value of the following number lines. So number 1. Okay, yan po yung number line. At ito po yung kanyang integer. So from 0 to negative 2, So, yung kanyang absolute value in symbol is absolute value of negative 2 is equal to always positive 2. Okay? How about this number 2? Number lines. So, from 0 to positive 3. So, in symbol, absolute value of 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so salamat po sa inyong panood. Nawa po ay natulungan ko kayo sa inyong aralin. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more video lesson.